Think you know which desktop computer to buy? What if I told you that most top 5 lists are outdated and half of their recommendations will waste your money? After testing over 20 systems, we've found the 5 that truly dominate, but one of them, number 3, is a dark horse that no one saw coming. It will shatter everything you thought you knew about performance for the price. Links to all 5 of these vetted machines are in the description. Let's reveal which desktops made the cut. Starting at number 1. Dell XPS Desktop 8960, 2024. With the highly versatile XPS Desktop 8960 for 2024, Dell remains a top dog of desktops. Dell configured our review unit as a high-end tower with lots of graphics oomph, which ripped through just about every benchmark we put it through. With an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080 Super graphics card inside, it's also ready to ramp up for game time. However, we also picked it for its versatility in configurations. Starting at just $800, this desktop shows an impressive range in the kinds of customers it can serve. If you desire a high-end desktop for more than gaming, stop looking. The latest Dell XPS Desktop is here. Not only is it ready for just about any task you can throw its way, but Dell's XPS Desktop case also leaves room for a decent amount of upgrades and an ample port selection. It's also available in far more affordable configurations, opening this product up to aspirational upgraders who want to start small. Number 2. Acer Aspire TC1775UR11. Acer continues to dominate the budget zone with another of its Aspire desktops taking the Best Budget Desktop for Most Buyers title. The Aspire TC1775UR11 adopts 14th Gen Intel Core processing with the same 8GB of memory and 512GB SSD capacity as before. With this model, Acer's Aspire TC continues to outshine every budget tower we've tested. You can find it for far less than its $600 list price, which pays for decent power, space for upgrades, and modern amenities like a front USB-C port and card reader, Wi-Fi 6E connectivity, and dual HDMI ports for 2 monitors. Once again, the Aspire TC1775UR11 will serve well anyone on a tight budget seeking a high-value PC for their family or household. Its contemporary array of components continues to be better than what we see from most budget PCs, including features found in high-end machines. Expect this Acer tower to be a reliable daily driver for years after purchase, with room for upgrades. Number 3. MSI Codex R2. MSI handily took the budget gaming rig crown with its Codex R2 model, a sub-$1,000 desktop with modern features, competent performance, and lots of room for expansion. The Codex nails all of the criteria we value in entry-level gaming PCs, particularly allowing you to invest in the product down the line with upgrades to core components like the CPU and GPU in addition to memory and storage. It's also competitively priced for the hardware it houses, able to serve up 1440p performance for less than $1,000. Budget-bound PC gamers who don't want to sacrifice performance and get more out of their new gaming desktop than their 1080p or 4K console setup can muster should seriously consider the MSI Codex R2. This is one of the most affordable entries into 1440p gaming that we've seen, making it an instant recommendation for frugal buyers. Number 4. Lenovo Legion Tower 7i Gen 8, 2024. The 2024 Legion Tower 7i Gen 8 quickly rose to the top of its category, primarily for its blazing 4K gaming performance, simple upgrade potential, superb RGB lighting, and modular power supply. The tower also houses a top-of-the-line liquid cooling setup to draw the most juice possible out of its Intel Core i9-14900KF processor to get out of the way of its NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 Super graphics card. You won't get the configuration adaptability of the primo boutique builders, but it's tough to beat Lenovo on value in gaming desktops. Anyone looking for a taste of the high-end boutique build for a lot less will be pleased by the new Legion Tower 7i Gen 8. This tower brings everything you look for from a custom-built gaming rig, without perhaps some of the most premium touches, including a tidy build within a case that can sustain future component upgrades. You can't ask for much more for around $2,500 these days. Number 5. Apple Mac Mini, 2024, M4 Pro. Skipping the M3 generation of processors proved well worth it for Apple's smallest Mac. The latest Mac Mini takes on Apple's M4 processors to incredible effect, particularly in the M4 Pro we tested for our review. The M4 Pro Mac Mini blew away light-configured mini desktops and challenged workstations several times its size in some tests. This is before even getting to Apple's redesign, which introduced more ports and better cooling. Whether at its starting budget-priced configuration, which has 16 GB of RAM, twice as much as in the previous generation, or tricked out to get serious work done, the new Mac Mini is a no-brainer. What's so impressive about the new Mac Mini is its ability to serve widely different audiences. It's one of the best budget desktops, starting at just $599 with the M4 chip, that's 16 GB of memory we mentioned, and a 256 GB SSD. At $1,399, it becomes a pint-size M4 Pro powerhouse ready to compete with legitimate workstations. You don't see that kind of value versatility in most desktops. And there you have it, the definitive list to guide your purchase, from the ultimate budget beast to the undisputed king of performance. No more guesswork, no more getting scammed. Your perfect machine is on this list. All product links for your buy with the latest discounts we could find are waiting for you in the video description below. If this guide saved you hours of research and potentially hundreds of dollars, pay it forward. Hit that like button, share this video with a friend who's looking, and subscribe to the channel. Tap the bell so you don't miss our next video where we expose the 3 PC upgrades that are a complete waste of money in 2025. See you then.